And here it is.
It's time for another 2-minute tech tip.
Hi, I'm Bob Rubart with the Oracle Technology Network, here to drop the needle on a quick hit of some mad skills from a member of the Oracle community. This episode features a video sent in by Blaine Carter. Blaine is an open source advocate on the Oracle Developer Advocates team, and he lives in Salt Lake City, where 2 minutes is 2 minutes, and Blaine's 2 minutes starts now.
Whenever I hear someone say there are no stupid questions, I always ask, well, then what would be an example of a stupid question? I do this to point out that, yes, there are stupid questions, but people should ask them anyway. After all, if you don't ask, how are you expected to learn? A couple weeks ago, I was asked, does a program's business logic belong in the database or in the application? This is a stupid question. First off, if you have code in your database, and you should, then that code is part of the application, so that kind of changes the question to, does the business logic belong in the database or in the mid-tier? This is also a stupid question because it assumes that the answer must be one or the other. Think of it like this. So you're going to wear something on your feet. Should you wear rain boots or flip-flops? The answer, of course, depends on where you're going and what the weather is. For example, if you're going to the beach or a lake to swim, flip-flops might be the better choice. If it's cold outside and it's snowing, you're probably going to want to wear your boots. Now, if you're just going for a short walk on a warm day and there's a little bit of rain, really it could be either. The point is that you need to evaluate the conditions and make the right choice. So going back to the program, let's say your application has collected some data. Now, if it needs to process that data, make some changes based on other stored data, and then store it in one or more tables in the database, sounds like PL SQL would be your best choice. If instead you're just collecting some data and then passing that data along to another API or deciding which function to use to run next based on the data, then let the mid-tier handle it. If you're doing a little bit of both, then evaluate each process and handle it in the tier that makes the most sense. I'm sure you've heard the saying, if the only tool you have is a hammer, everything looks like a nail. Basically, use the right tool for the job, stop fighting over what tool is better, and every so often you should take time to add a few new tools to your toolbox, and never stop asking stupid questions.
Was that good for you?
It is really interesting and amazing.
Let us know what you think. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.